I'm Katie, vegan food blogger at littlemissmeatfree.co.uk, where great food always comes first. Follow my journey into creating delicious, healthy dishes to enjoy every day of the week.
So if you've ever wondered how to make pasta sauce but you thought it was going to be really difficult, this is the perfect recipe for you. It's also really good if you've got a pack of tomatoes left at the end of the week that are starting to go a bit wrinkly, not as fresh as they were. This is the perfect time to use them up. So this recipe is a tomato and rosemary pasta sauce. It can go over any pasta. Say I've made penne pasta, which is perfect. It pockets it, so it tastes really, really delicious. Set the oven to 180 degrees and pop in a pack of tomatoes. A good size pack, probably about 200 grams. You want to pop on the baking tray with the tomatoes, an onion and some rosemary. Dried rosemary works fine here, and a clove of garlic. Now pop that in the oven for about 20 minutes until the tomatoes just start to wrinkle and crack. That's when they look perfect. So when you take it out of the oven, you can let them cool just slightly so you can hold the tin. Then you'll need a blender. Use a high power blender. It's through the Optimum 9400. And you just want to pour all the ingredients into the blender. Now I try not to get too much of the olive oil that you've used into there, because you're going to add some extra veg olive oil in anyway. Great, so when all the onion, tomato, garlic and rosemary in there, you want to just add a good glug of extra virgin olive oil, probably about 3 tablespoons. It's worth buying a good quality one for this, because you really can tell the difference. And then you want about a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. This just adds lovely sharpness and also some sweetness there as well. It works lovely with the tomatoes. I'm just going to blend that up now, so I'm just going to start it on a low. And this is great because even though it's vegan, it's still a really, really creamy sauce. So if you want it to be a bit thinner, you can also you can always add just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to the end product there. So I'm just adding it onto the pasta. So it's as simple as that. So that's your roast tomato and rosemary pasta sauce with penne. So simple, so delicious, perfect family meal.